Is Pluto a planet? The status of Pluto as a planet has been a matter of debate in the scientific community. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) redefined the criteria for what constitutes a planet and declared Pluto a dwarf planet due to its smaller size and irregular orbit. According to the IAU definition, a planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun, has sufficient mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium, a nearly round shape, and has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Pluto meets the first two criteria but fails the third, as it shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper belt. So while Pluto is not considered a planet under the IAU definition, it is still a fascinating and scientifically valuable object worth studying. Here are 20 interesting facts about Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet in our solar system, located in the Kuiper belt beyond the orbit of Neptune. It was discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. Pluto is named after the Roman god of the underworld, who was able to make himself invisible. It is the largest known dwarf planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 1,476 miles, 2,377 kilometers. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. Charon, Pluto's largest moon, is so large that some scientists consider Pluto and Charon to be a binary system rather than a planet and a moon. Pluto's surface is covered in ice, including frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Pluto's atmosphere is primarily made up of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. Pluto's average temperature is about -375 degrees Fahrenheit, -225 degrees Celsius. A day on Pluto lasts about 6.4 Earth days, while a year on Pluto, its orbit around the Sun, takes about 248 Earth years. Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical, which means that its distance from the Sun varies significantly over time. Pluto has a unique reddish-brown color, likely due to tholins, complex organic molecules formed from methane and nitrogen. Pluto is not visible to the naked eye, and can only be seen with a telescope. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft performed a flyby of Pluto in 2015, providing the first close-up images and measurements of the dwarf planet. The surface features on Pluto are named after characters and places from mythology and science fiction. Pluto has a thin atmosphere that can freeze and fall to the ground as snow. The discovery of Pluto led to the reclassification of planets in our solar system and the creation of the term dwarf planet. Pluto has a mass of about 0.002 Earths, making it the smallest known dwarf planet in the solar system. Pluto's elliptical orbit sometimes brings it closer to the Sun than Neptune, which is normally farther from the Sun. Despite its small size, Pluto remains an important object of study for scientists, as it provides insights into the formation and evolution of the solar system.